Hey, it's Big Boy Baller 98, and I will be making airsoft review on the DPMS Kitty Cat. Yeah, DPMS Panther Arms Kitty Cat. So it's a electric airsoft gun. Start off with the accessories. So there's the battery. Right here, nunchuck. A little charging right here. Here's the charger. There's the thing, there's the plug-in, there's the cord. And this gun comes with a sling right here. And here's the gun. And let me just give you some facts about the gun. 348 FPS with .12s. 270 with .20s. And it's 600 BBs per minute. And this comes off. You just twist that, comes off. Orange tip, rails on all sides, top rail, side rail, bottom rail. Is there a rail on the other side? Yes, there is. And a little sling attachment right here. This does nothing. Select fire, safe, semi, full auto. Flip up sight right here, adjustable in the height, and also in the size. Where is the smallest one? What the heck? Where'd it go? That's the medium. And yeah. So flip that back down. Front sight already sets removable. This right here, I don't know if you can see, look, it comes in. You pull this back. This on the other side of the gun opens, and you got your hop upper right there. Very easy. Trigger, semi-safe auto, already showed this. Grip, full metal, 250 BB, high cap magazine. Wind up, the bottom right there. Wind up. The stock. Oh, this is for the spring version. Here, position there, position there, position. I like to keep it there. And there's one more. Let me just find it. Right there. It's a beautiful gun. Let's go all the way back in. And on the back, right there. Take this off. Look at the battery. Wonderful battery. And sling and charger goes right there. Didn't notice, I just dropped the end piece on the ground. It's right there. And that's where it goes. So that's the gun. Very nice gun. I like it a lot. I recommend it. Big 5. Whew. $120. I would got it on sale for $100. Very, very good deal. And the mag, let me just have it right there. Button, press, pull. It's not a dropout mag. Sad. Right here. See the top. See everything. Not loaded. Put it back on, and it also comes with a jam. And that's my review on the DPMS Kitty Cat Panther Arms. Thank you. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I will put, yeah, good gun. We'll like it a lot. So